The Master Electric Snap Fixing Machine is an efficient, precise, and permanent attachment of a wide variety of metal fasteners, including snaps, rivets, eyelets, tich button, VT3, VT5 and ring snap, onto materials ranging from delicate fabrics to tough denim and leather. Its core operation utilizes a robust rotary clutch system for smooth performance, while interchangeable molds allow for quick changeovers between different fastener types, ensuring versatile application across apparel and textile manufacturing. Designed for durability and operator safety with a built-in safety guard, this machine provides reliable, high-volume riveting consistency and is supported by a comprehensive 1-year free service with parts warranty, with custom die sets available for specialized fastener requirements.